Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, depending on the part of the world that you're in right now. Today, I want to give us the fundamental analysis or the news that is expected tomorrow for forex traders around the world. And from Forex Factory here, what I see for on the 14th of August 2024, the first news is coming up by 3 a.m. in the morning, which is an high impact news by of the currency pair. The currency is New Zealand dollar and its official cash rate. So the forecast is still 5.50%, but the previous is also 5.50%. So if the actual is greater than the pre-forecast, so that means it is very good for the currency at that particular time. So if you're trading fundamental at that moment, you can go ahead with your buy. But right now, looking at the technical point of view, we can see also that the market is still in the buy direction on NZD USD. The market is still on the buy direction. So if the news is good for NZD, that's for New Zealand dollars, it will push up to reach the major resistance that is coming up, that is up there around 0.61164. So we should watch out for 0.61164 for our taking of profit. So the moment the news is up, you can as well place your trade at this point. When the market gets to 0.60815, you can go into the market at that point. There will be a little retracement before that market is going to trigger, so you can wait for the retracement. When the retracement has gone, has been effected, then you can go into the market. This is on a daily time frame. Then let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. You can see on the 15 minutes time frame, it is ranging. It is also trying to make a reversal pattern in preparation for the big news that will be coming up by 3 a.m. So that is one of the major news that we're having tomorrow, very early hours of the day, around 3 a.m. So you can be part of it if you be awake by that time, or depending on the nations of the earth that you are at the moment. We also have monetary policy, that's still around 3 a.m. Also, we also have New Zealand. I'm using the time frame here, the time zone here in Nigeria, Africa. That is why I'm saying AM. It depends on your country, so you can convert the time, whatever time I'm saying, you can convert your own time to suit your own country or your continent, wherever you are. Then around 7 a.m. in the morning, we're having another very powerful news, which is GPP CPI. So the forecast is 2.3, which is greater than the previous. So we watch out if the forecast, the actual now by that 7 a.m., if the actual is greater than the previous, or the actual is equals to forecast, so that means it is very, very good for the currency. So we can go in for a buy. That means GPP is stronger than when, so you can trade GPP USD and you can take advantage of it and keep buying. As you can see from the chart, what happened today, we had a serious buy today on GBP USD British pounds against US dollar. We had a lot of we had buy opportunities today. You can see buy opportunities, and the buy is still in view. So all you need to do is wait for the reversal all through this night, and tomorrow you can jump into the market to continue to milk from 7.5 trillion dollars your own share. So we expect GBP USD to buy tomorrow morning by 7 a.m. But please wait for the news to trigger. The news will give you a clear direction and a decision on what to do. Then make sure you put your technical analysis into consideration. After then, we have a lot of weak news. We see we have this is the forecast is lower than the previous. That means the strength will reduce. We also have GPP the PPI output is also low, compare is higher than the forecast, so that is higher than the previous. So we now go straight to 1:30 p.m. where we have core CPI for US dollar. So US dollar promised to be very strong. So the forecast promised to be greater than the previous, which means dollar might be very very strong. So I guess if you're trading GPP USD, NZD USD, you're trading your USD, and if you're in the buy direction, once is around 12, I think it will be advisable for you to quit all your trades and wait for the news to trigger. Because if you're trading GPP USD and dollar becomes strong, that means you have to sell off. It will be a sell market, so you must watch out for the news. The news is very important, so you must take that into consideration alongside your technical analysis. So we have the CPIMM up to 3:30. The news is still active. So those are the major news that we have tomorrow, 13th and 14th August 2024. Please, you can kindly subscribe to this channel and also like, comment and share. We have a lot to discuss here. Very soon we'll be having trainings here once in a while to take you into another level on how to make money. Take care of yourself. Thank you.